Ingredients needed for making kunafa include soft kunafa dough and melted butter. Prepare filling. Mix milk, cornstarch, and sugar until starch dissolves completely. Thicken the mixture. Add vanilla. Remove from heat. Cool slightly. Add cream to mixture. Mix until smooth and creamy. Cut kunafa dough into short strands using kitchen scissors. Mix kunafa strands thoroughly with melted butter until saturated. Grease a tray. Lay half kunafa. Press gently until firm. Add cream filling. Leave edges empty. Cover with remaining kunafa. Press gently to compact kunafa layers without overdoing it. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake kunafa 25 to 30 minutes until golden. After baking, immediately pour warm sherbet evenly over hot kunafa. Allow kunafa to cool slightly before serving for best taste. Use pure butter for rich flavor. Ensure sherbet and kunafa are warm. Decorate with ground pistachios for a luxurious and appealing look. Serve warm kunafa with coffee or tea for added enjoyment. Video will detail steps, textures with close-ups, and audio explanations.